Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this short video tutorial I want to show you how to knit an I-cord side edge, really neat one. This edge has 3 stitches. There is also edge where you use 2 stitches. Here I'm going to use 3 stitches from one side and 3 stitches from another side. So you cast on the number of stitches that you need for your pattern, any number, and plus 6 stitches, 3 stitches on one side, 3 stitches on another side. This I-cord is perfect for knitted scarves, for example, where the main pattern causes rolling edges. And to start, you hold your working yarn always in front. Slip the first stitch as if to purl, holding working yarn in front. Please pay attention. After that, knit second stitch and then slip third stitch, holding working yarn in front. Now I'm going to knit all stitches because my main pattern is a garter stitch, and garter stitch in rows means that I'm going to knit on the right side and knit all stitches on the wrong side. So I knit until I have 3 last stitches. Now knit, slip next stitch holding working yarn in front, and knit very last stitch as well. That's it, and that's what we are going to repeat on the wrong side. Holding working yarn in front, slip the first stitch as if to purl, then knit 1 and again slip, holding working yarn in front. After that you knit the pattern you have chosen for your scarf or for your headband. In my case I knit all stitches until I have 3. And now again, when I have 3 stitches left, knit 1, slip, next stitch holding working yarn in front, and knit the last stitch. That's it. After that repeat everything. So slip first stitch holding working yarn in front, then knit 1 and slip the third stitch holding working yarn in front. Knit all stitches until you have 3 stitches, and when you have 3 stitches, knit 1, slip next stitch holding working yarn in front, and knit the very last stitch. That's it guys, this beautiful I-cord you will get at the end. If you have any questions, please write me a comment. Thank you for watching me today. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Check my other tutorials and see you soon. Bye.